Let's create a Google site. First, go to your Google Apps, choose Drive. When you're in your Drive, go to New, and then go down to the bottom at More, and choose Google Sites. That's it. You've created a Google site. Now let's give our title page a title. And then we can change the image. You can upload your own or select an image that Google has provided. And I'm just going to use this space theme. Now I'm going to give my file a name, and this is what would appear in my Drive. Next, I'm going to embed some slides. So I go to Slides, choose the slides I want, and then resize them. It's really pretty easy. Again, all I'm doing is embedding a set of slides into my site. Now I'm going to embed some forms. This is just one question that I'm doing today, but I wanted to show you that they can go on the same page. The kids can look at the file and answer right here. Now I'm going to add a page. I go to the Page menu. I give my new page a title, Apollo 11. Click on Done, and it loads up. So now you can see I have two pages, my home page and Apollo 11. For this, I'm going to embed a video, and I just go and grab the URL, and then I paste it in and insert it. You can notice that it doesn't take much time at all. For that, I also just resize to fit on the page the way that I want it to. I can go to the side to change the color to make it look a little better. And now I'm going to insert an image carousel. You can insert just regular images, but I think that the carousel is pretty cool. I just add my images. It doesn't take long at all. And then I insert it into the page. Now I just again resize and change up the color a little bit. The next thing I want to do is to show you how to do the sharing. So generally it's just not shared, but I like to go with anyone can find it, which is a little scary. But then when you go to publish, there's a box you can check to request public search engines don't display my site. I also like to change my web address to something that people might not expect. Now you wouldn't have to do this if you weren't selling the resource, but if you were selling it, you'd want to. Now you can see what my page looks like on a full screen. Also, you can see what it looks like on a tablet and on a phone. Next, I'm going to go to Pages, and instead of inserting a page, I'm going to show you how to add a link. So instead of page, we're going to add a new link. It appears in the navigation bar, so I just grab the URL to the website, copy it, and paste it in, and then name the link. So this I'm just calling Apollo Learning Link or Apollo 11 Learning Link. And I save it the same way. You'll see that it appears in the navigation, but it will take you outside of the site. Now, I like to have my navigation on the side, so you go to this little gear up here and do side navigation. You can see that on a phone or a tablet, you're not going to see the side navigation. You're going to have to use the top, but I still sort of prefer the side for the full screen. I just go back and publish the whole thing again. Go to my view my published site, and I can just sort of see, I can see my slideshow, play it here. Below that I have my forms, and I can go ahead and take the quiz, submit it, and even view my score. Then I'm going to go to my Apollo 11 page, and you can see that I can see my video. Now this one has an ad. I use SafeShare TV so that I don't see the ads, or my kids don't see the ads when they play it. There's my image carousel. And then when I click on the Apollo 11 learning link, I just go to that site. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a Google site.